afternoon, you guys, or good day, or whatever it is, or whatever. But hi, you guys, and welcome to another makeup tutorial. I'm so happy to bring this to you because I feel like this look is totally creative. It's something that I actually pushed myself to the limit with, and I just totally kicked it up a whole nother launch. I absolutely love the way this came out, so let's just zoom in on it. So this is the look right here. It's totally beautiful, totally purple. I haven't done a purple look in a very long time. If you've been watching my channel, I usually go for blue or greens lately, or just natural looks, but mostly blue and natural. That's usually been it. But today I just really wanted to do this purple cut crease eye or whatever, and I have wrote it down in my book for like 2 months now, and I just never done it. But I'm just bringing you this today. So basically I'm bringing you this look because I got these new Devinah Cosmetics eyeshadows in the mail, and that's basically what I used only on my eyes today. So I got 9 new eyeshadows from Devinah Cosmetics. So this right here is all of them. So I just put it into my big Z palette, whatever. So these are the 9 shadows right here. I ordered these like probably 2 weeks to a week ago or whatever, and I got it with a first come sale, which I think is like 25% off. I'm gonna show you my order, and I'm gonna swatch the colors on my arm for you guys. So basically I ordered this on September 20th. I ordered this September 17th, and it was delivered to me September 25th. So it came to me shorter than my Luxie order, and hopefully you have seen that video. But I think, you know, obviously I think the Luxie order came in longer because it was Labor Day weekend. But I got this, and like I said, it was 25% off. So with 9 eyeshadows and the 25% off, it came out to $38.70, and that includes shipping of $5, which isn't that bad at all, especially for how long it came. Well, let's just get swatching on my arms the colors. Moxie, M-O-X-I-E. What I want to say before I duck my finger too much in this is, hopefully you can see that there's like a D imprinted into the shadow, which is really nice. And then there you see right there. Next you see Odium. And this is my first time like really swatching these, because I've been trying not to mess up the D for the last couple of days. But I have really been like just wanting to like touch these too. I have Charmed, which is this nice color. And I'm actually wearing this color on my eyes today. It almost reminds me of Backlight by Makeup Geek, but it's different. And next we have Diva. This is the only thing I don't like, is that I feel like if I keep swatching this a lot, the D will disappear in the pan, and I kind of like it because it makes it different from my other eyeshadows. And then next we have Majesty. This I absolutely love. It's really nice. So we have Tempt. It's okay, and that's Tempt. It's a nice pinkish color. Okay, and then we have IDFWU, which means I don't F with you, which is a great name, however, and I absolutely love this color. And there is a dupe for this, but I just don't know where. And that was very smooth. That was really smooth. It is. So this is Triton. It's this nice antique brown bronze color. And last but not least, we have STFU, which is this nice blue, which is gorgeous. The quality of it is just way different. And you see that? That's just how that just slid on. Yeah, so that is it. That is what a STFU or whatever. Yeah. So what I want to tell you about these shadows is she has different pans for this. So she does a 26, which is just standard pan, which is what I have, and that's for $5. Then she goes up to a 36, and I think it's like $10. And then I think it goes all the way up to a 56 pan, and that's like $20 or so. She does make a variety of these shades. So I would have gotten these earlier if every shade I went up there for wasn't out of stock for just the small pans. I didn't want to get the 36, and to me a 36 means the pans like from Sugar Pill, which is like these. So here is a regular 30 here's a regular 26 or this is a 36. See the difference or whatever? I just didn't want that in my Z palette. I just wanted all to fit this. So yeah, as you saw, I don't even know. Yeah, as you saw my Z palette, you saw that I had bigger eyeshadow pans in there, but I just didn't want that in my thing. So yeah, I absolutely love those shadows. I do want to pick up another order, but I think I'm gonna wait until they come out with some new shades, because I've already looked at the site like 2 more times after buying that, and nothing was like really speaking out to me, just because I wasn't trying to dupe any colors like that. So I'm officially gonna try to be done with my eyeshadow. Like, I know what I just said, but I have so much eyeshadow now, and like I'm really cranking out these videos and staying productive or whatever, and really posting on Instagram. So please find me on Instagram and we'll see some of the looks that I have done up there. I do more creative stuff on my Instagram anyway. Well, I try to. So yeah, that is basically it, and let's get into the makeup tutorial.